Hey, what's up guys? If your videos keep getting stuck at under a few hundred views and you're thinking, maybe it's my niche, maybe it's my editing, I've got news for you. It's probably not your niche or your editing. It's what you're doing right after you upload. Most YouTubers make innocent mistakes in those first few hours and days. Mistakes that literally kill their channel's performance before the algorithm even gets a chance to help. I've seen amazing videos die at 200 views and average videos blow up to hundreds of thousands just because of what happened after uploading. So today, I'm breaking down 11 common mistakes that are silently sabotaging your growth and how to fix every single one. Trust me, by the end, you'll know exactly what to stop doing immediately if you want your next video to take off. Before we dive in, hit that like button. And if you're serious about growing your channel the smart way, subscribe so you don't miss out on more growth tutorials just like this. All right, sharing your video too early. I get it. You just uploaded a new video, you're excited, and you want to show your friends, your family, maybe even blast it on social media. But that excitement could be your downfall. When you share your video with people who aren't your actual target audience, they'll usually watch for 20 or 30 seconds, maybe a minute tops, and then click off. And guess what? YouTube sees that short watch time and goes, people aren't interested. Boom, your video stops getting recommended. Instead, let YouTube find your organic audience first. Wait 24, 48 hours before sharing your link anywhere. If the video starts gaining traction naturally, then it's safe to share. Otherwise, just let it breathe. Mistake number 2, watching your own video right after uploading. Sounds harmless, right? But think about it. You probably won't sit through your entire video from start to finish once it's live. That short view still counts in your retention metrics, and it lowers your average watch time. YouTube might be smart enough to know it's you, but honestly, why risk it? Do all your quality checks before you hit publish. Once it's live, hands off. Now, mistake number 3 is a big one. Buying likes, views, or subscribers. Don't do it, ever. Even if someone promises real engagement. These are people who aren't actually interested in your content. They might watch for a few seconds, leave, and ruin your audience retention. Worse, it's against YouTube's terms of service. You could lose your channel completely. Even if you don't, the algorithm will get confused. It'll start thinking your productivity video is for people who love cooking or car videos. Result? Zero growth, zero trust, zero reach. So please, grow it the legit way. You'll thank yourself later. Mistake number 4, deleting videos too soon. This one hurts because so many creators fall for it. They upload a video, it flops after a few days, and they panic delete it. But YouTube's algorithm doesn't work on a 24-hour clock. Sometimes it takes weeks or months for a video to find its audience. I've seen videos sit at 100 views for weeks, then explode to millions a month later. Every video is an asset. It builds your library, boosts your authority, and can always bring in new subs through search. If you delete it, you delete all that potential forever. Mistake number 1, manually moderating every single comment. Listen, you don't need to play comment police 24/7. Instead of deleting every negative comment, go to YouTube Studio, Settings, Community, and set up blocked keywords. Filter out words like fake, scam, waste of time, or anything that kills the mood. Also, block links that keep spam and promo bots out. Then you can focus on replying to the real viewers who matter. Quick pause. I want to know, which of these mistakes have you made before? Be honest. Drop a comment below. I'm curious how many people have fallen into the same traps. Mistake number 6, stressing about upload time. You've heard it 100 times. You have to upload at the perfect time. But honestly, in the beginning, it barely matters. I've uploaded videos at 3 a.m. when I had slow satellite internet still pulled 1 million views. Sure, if your audience is mostly in the US, 5 to 7 p.m., EST is a sweet spot. But if you can't, don't wait. Uploading at a bad time is still better than not uploading at all. Once you grow, use your analytics to find when your audience is online and post 2 to 3 hours before that. Mistake number 3, publishing before your video finishes processing. If you hit publish the second your upload completes, YouTube might only have the SD version ready. Your audience sees a blurry video, they click off, and that hurts performance. Always wait for the HD version to finish processing first. Set your video to unlisted, then publish when everything's done. That also gives you time to add a strong title, description, and tags, or use tools like Tube Magic to optimize before going live. Mistake number 2, community tab or related platforms. If you have a community tab, use it. Post your new video there for that extra visibility. And if you have an audience on other platforms, say Instagram, X, or an email list, share your new video there only if it matches the same niche. Don't send your crypto audience to a cooking video. You'll confuse the algorithm and your viewers. Mistake number 9, constantly changing titles and thumbnails. If your video is underperforming, I know the urge. Maybe I should change the thumbnail or title. But unless you have a huge audience, those small tweaks won't give you meaningful data. If you have a few thousand subscribers, it's not statistically significant. Instead of tweaking old videos, put that time into making your next one better. Get your title and thumbnail solid before you hit publish, model what's already working, and move forward. Obsessively checking analytics. We all do it. You hit upload and then refresh your stats every 10 minutes. But staring at numbers won't make them go up. In fact, it can tank your motivation. Give it at least 24 to 48 hours before checking performance. When you do check, focus only on 2 metrics: click-through rate and average view duration. Those are the real indicators of growth. Everything else can wait. And finally, mistake number 11, ignoring the 4 hours after upload. This is one of the most crucial periods for your video success. YouTube watches your performance like a hawk during this time. Engagement, watch time, comments, everything. So don't waste it. Instead of refreshing analytics, spend that time replying to real comments, encouraging discussion, and promoting watch time through your end screens. If you can lead viewers from one video to another, YouTube will love you for it. All right, if you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more YouTube growth strategies just like this. And hey, if you want to learn how to build faceless channels that earn without ever showing your face, check out the video on screen right now. It's basically a free course that'll show you everything step by step. Thanks for watching. This is Spotless Leads, and I'll see you in the next one.